Hi, my name is Jess and I'm a thriftaholic. I have a haul that I specifically sourced for ThredUP. I went to a local Goodwill on a sale day and purchased most of these items for $1.50. If I paid more for them, I will let you know. And let's get started. I have been selling on ThredUP for 3 months and I'm trying to make more of a profit on items. Before I just wanted to do $10. Now I want to do more, closer to 20 and up, because labels are getting harder and harder to get. Also, I want to let you know, in case you haven't watched my previous videos, that I have seen a few screenshots from ThredUP customer support that they're putting a freeze on reseller accounts because so much is being sent in that they are not able to get through it in a timely manner. And so they're putting a freeze on certain people's accounts, and they're going to continue to increase putting more freezes on. So I highly suggest getting more labels than you currently need, because it could happen to you. Okay, very Chanel vibes. Tweed jacket. This is White House Black Market, which does well for me. Let's see if this was marked up. It was not. Here we have a Bowden novelty print button-up shirt. I believe this is plus size. Just this classic shirt. It looks to be like at least an extra large. With like Big Ben and a Ferris wheel. So that was $1.11. Here's a women's 9 West red open front blazer. 9 West kind of surprised me as far as brands. I still have quite a bit of it for sale, so I can't tell you if it sells well or not. Here we have a dark green soft surroundings jacket. It was still $1.50. Here we have a very thin knit cabbie sweater. It's the newer tag. This is the newer one. Very thin. Like it, I don't know if this is silk. Don't mind my family. They're in the kitchen having supper. No, it's cotton nylon blend. So yeah. Here we have Calvin Klein sweater, I believe. I thrifted these almost a week ago, so extra large cowl neck. Here we have a plum purple DKNY blazer. DKNY resale value is really poor if you sell it yourself. However, I've seen people on Instagram having great success with DKNY, and I know there's different lines of it. I'm not sure which one this is, but it was just $1.50, and it's a bigger size. It's a 16. Quite a few pants here, all just rolled up. We have yellow cabbie pants. So this is the old cabbie tag. They take both. It doesn't really matter, because they don't. That's another thing. ThredUP does not show you the brand tag, so you don't know unless you just look it up by the image. Reverse Google search. I like the style of these. I am trying to stay away from loft, but I loved the detailing along the waistline, just like some faded black skinny jeans. Sorry if the bags are loud. White House Black Market, like some. They look really red on camera, but they're more of a darker red. Those are size 6, and I did pay $3.25 for these, but that's okay. I'll pay that. Here we have Beta brand. I think this is my first time finding Beta brand. They're like some pull-on work pants, but they're cozy like leggings, you know? So those were $1.50. I'm also filming upstairs in my living room because I don't want to carry down 4 bags of clothes to film it. So here we have Ann Taylor. This is a petite, but they're like herringbone black slacks. We are, no, we're not halfway done. We're a quarter of the way done. Here we have a charcoal gray 9 West blazer. And this was new with tags. Retailed for $119. So I can probably ask over $100 for this, and my payout would be about $60. This is really cute. It's the Academy blazer by Gap. I could sell this on eBay for like $25, $30. But I don't want to, so I'll send it in to ThredUP. These are some, this is like a, what is this? Oh, cabbie. This is extra large. It's a newer cabbie tag, printed cotton jacket. I found some decent things. Nothing high end. Like the last couple times I've gone on their sale day, I found St. John and Acris Punto. Fortunately, I didn't find anything like that, but I did find a lot of winter attire, so that's good. Here's just a Gap utility jacket. Wait, and I think it's a bigger size as well. Here's a red tweed Talbot's blazer that is new with tags. And it retailed for $169. So I can probably ask like $140. I did pay $5.30 for this, but that is completely fine with me. Talbot sells well for me. It's a size 8, so it's a decent size, not too small. I'm hoping to get all this sent in the next few days. Here we have Classiques Entier. I hadn't heard of this brand, but I like this style, and so I looked it up. And you can mark these up to like $150 on ThredUp. I don't know where this is actually sold at, like which store. But if I can mark it up for that much, that's awesome. I did see some that were only priced at like $30 or $40. But you know me, I like to max out my prices and then work my way down after about 30 days of it being listed on their site. So I just really like the print or the colors on that one. Here we have a yellow tweed jacket. This is by Nicole Miller. I see a lot of people talk about Nicole Miller. I personally don't see it very often, and so I saw it. It was $1.50. I like this style, so I went ahead and grabbed it. Chip. See, this is what I get for my living room, my kids. Okay. Here we have Ralph Lauren, just like a baby, like velvet outfit. I've sent in Ralph Lauren. Did I send in a kids? I don't know, but the price is well. And it was, I paid 50 cents for this. And the kids' clothes are just a good way to fill up your boxes. What I'm doing is I'm in the process of going through all of my kids' clothes that I've been hoarding for like the last 5 years. And the clean, nicer pieces I'm sending to ThredUp just to see, and if not, they can just keep it. I don't even care. What's this? This is new with tags. This is Banana Republic, but since it has the triangles underneath, that means it is factory. But it is new with tags. It's an extra small, and it's like a, I think it's a wool blend sweater dress. So since it's considered a sweater dress, I think I decided to pick it up. And it's new. It is a polyester blend, but it is super soft. It's like a navy blue. Did I pay up for that? No, I did not. I liked all the hardware, like the gold. This is like a satin jacket from White House Black Market. This is our older tag. And it has the cute, like it's got a lot of gold buttons. And has a neck buckle. It also has a waist buckle. If I can find it. Yeah, it's like almost like a trench, I guess you could call it, because it's belted. And I paid $3.25 for that one, but I can list it, I think, for like $120. Yeah, so it'd be a good payout. Here we have Coldwater Creek. I do pick up some Coldwater Creek. What's so funny? You gonna say hi?
Hi.
That's Chip. He's my 3-year-old.
My Blinky.
And that's his Blinky. It's his security blanket. Okay, apparently I didn't get this because it was new. Oh, yeah, it is new tags. Be careful. This is new tags, and it retailed for $130. It's like a pretty burnt orange, or not burnt orange, but just like a pretty fall orange. Okay, you have to sit still, okay?
Hi.
Because.
Hi. This is my Blinky.
Yes, that's your blankie. Here's Cachet. It's just like a nice tweed with some fringe trim. Like, it's like a beige and blue. I don't think Cachet, I think they went bankrupt a few years ago, but they retailed for a lot, and the resale value is not very good, but they price it well, and I think I've sold a few places. Okay, so you have to be quiet, okay? Thank you. You still have supper on your face. Your face is dirty. This one is super cute. I haven't sent in BKE, which is the buckle. It's, you know, like, reminds me of Free People. It's got an open front, Aztec, full of other sleeves. It is super cute. Like, I would consider keeping this if it was my size, but it's a small. Clark, are you okay? Yeah. Okay. Here's a loft open front jacket. I think it's linen. Just a simple black lightweight jacket. This is really soft, whatever this is. Oh, so here's the new White House Black Market tag right here. And it's just an open front waterfall sleeveless cardigan. Or shrug, whatever you want to call it.
Hi.
You gonna say something besides hi?
Hi. This is got my Blinky.
Yeah, you got your blankie.
It's
It's a cape?
It's my Blinky.
Oh, okay. Here we have a Brooks Brothers poncho. It is wool, I think. Maybe it's cashmere. It's probably wool. It is, yeah, it's a wool blend. It is new with tags. And it doesn't have what it retailed for, but they priced Brooks Brothers well. And this is a trendier piece. Oh, I'm sorry, I thought it was a poncho, but it's like a, it does have sleeve holes. It's like a loose fit. Let's see if I paid more for this. My pile is getting ready to fall over. It's a large, and nope, I just paid $1.50 for it.
Whoa.
We're on the last bag. I got this one because it's a plus size 18. It is loft, herringbone, gray blazer. What? Oh, and the tag for the buttons came off of that Brooks Brothers piece. I'll have to reattach that. What?
What is that?
What?
That black thing.
That black thing?
Yeah.
Oh, I put it in that sweater. I think it fell off.
Me off.
Fell off. Yeah, fell off. Okay. Another loft. Like a chambray jacket with a cute ruffle detail. It's a size 8. I was trying to be more selective, but it was so hard for me to say no to loft because it does sell very easily. Are you just going to stare at yourself? Are you just going to stare at yourself?
Yeah.
Here we have a Calvin Klein suit. I picked up the 2 pieces, so I did pay $6 for it. It's like a gray pinstripe or chalk line. I don't know. You know, it's got like subtle stripes. Probably more of a chalk line. And here are Chippy. They want to see the clothes, not your cute little face buddy. And then here's the trouser pants. They will separate them. Like, unless an item, like if there's a slip that goes underneath the dress, unless it's attached to the outer shell of the dress, they will separate it. So keep that in mind. They will sell dresses if they are missing the belt. You know how like sometimes they have loops here? If it's missing the sash or the belt, they will still take it and sell it. This is Torrid. I don't have that great of luck with Torrid myself. Just because I can only net like maybe $10, and I'm trying to make more than $10 when I'm selling something myself. And I really like, this is like a coral pink, and it's like a belted jacket. So I went ahead because it was regularly priced, so that's $1.50. So if I can make 15 to 20 on ThredUP, I would be happy. Mac Studio price as well, and I have sold a few of their pieces on ThredUp. It's really cute. I love this. It's quilted. If it doesn't sell, I may just keep it because it's kind of my style. I see Coldwater Creek all the time. I have sold some of my Coldwater Creek on ThredUp, but I'm trying to dial it back until I know for sure that it will sell. But this one was heavily beaded. I checked out to make sure all the beads were intact. And it is suede. Very pretty. And that was $1.50. And then last but not least, we have INC International Concepts. It's a faux leather quilted moto jacket. Really cute, like this beige. I spent a total of $180 on all the items you see here, plus my previous haul, which was like more vintage. So here's what I have. I hope you enjoy. I have enough here for probably 2 kits. So, do you ever jump on and say hi? Here's my oldest. He likes to make his own YouTube videos. And he has his first lost tooth. So, alright, well thank you for sticking around my long haul. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Have a thriftalicious night.